All right, seventh grade math. This is our first lesson. This is over place value. It should be a review, so it should go very quickly. Our lessons are all going to look very similar as far as the lesson part goes. You'll see the first page, and on this first page, it goes over some vocabulary. Now, right here is our vocabulary. It says whole number, a number such as 0, 1, 2. A digit is a symbol used to write a number. Place value is the value a digit's position has in a number. Now, over here, it says according to the 1990 census, the population of the United States was 248,709,873. This number is read as 248,709,873. The value of any digit in a whole number depends on its position or place in that number. Each position in a number has its own place value. A place value chart shows the value of each digit. Notice that the digits 8 and 7 each appear twice in the number, but the value of each 8 and 7 is different. Down here, this 8 here is in the place of millions. It has the value of 8 million or 8 million, where this 8 over here has a value of hundreds. Its value is 8 hundreds or 800. Notice how commas are used to break the number into groups of 3. So that is just a little explanation of what the lesson is going to be over. On your guided notes, you are going to fill in these blanks as we go through them. It says, what is the value of the digit 3 in the number? Now, here's the 3. If we follow it up, it is in what? It is in the millions. So we are going to write millions. Place. It is, the value is 3 million or 3, and then everything else is 0. So 3 million is a 3 followed by 6 zeros. So notice that my answer ran over the end. That's fine. Just make it as legible as possible. So now when we come up here to the top of the next page, we have a guided practice still, number 2. It says, what is the value of the ones digit in this number? So it's right here. Notice that they did not give you the chart this time. So let's look at this. This is the hundreds right here. Then this is the thousands. Now, when you get into the thousands, here is the 1,000. This would be the 10,000. So this is in the 10, oh, I gotta get my color, 10,000. And I will let you abbreviate thousand with thou. The value is 1/10 thousand or 10,000. All right, so it's the 1 followed by 4 zeros. That is the guided practice. All right, now we're ready for the exercises. There are 2 sections of exercises that you are going to do. The first one is right here. It's write the place value of the underlined digit in each number. So this 5 is in the oh, wait a minute, let me go back. This one here is in the thousands. Now remember I said you can abbreviate thousand right there. When you come over to number 4, it is in the 10, and you got to spell out these words. thousand. So what you're going to do now is pause the video and finish the answers through number 8. Our second exercises are right here, and it's write the value of each underlying digit. Now, there are 2 ways that we have to do this. The first way is it says it's in the 6, and I'll let you write the number 6,000. So you can write 6,000, or you have to write it out as 6 with a comma followed by 3 zeros. Over here, this is in the 8, 10,000, or it's the 8 followed by 4 zeros to make it in the 8 10,000s spot. Now you're going to stop the video and finish through number 14. This last part of application, most of the time I will require you to do this. This time it is going to be just for fun. What you are going to do is use a calculator to find each answer. Then you'll turn the calculator upside down and write the word that appears. If you've done the problem correctly, you'll find a word. If you are using your iPad calculator, you have to be careful when trying to turn it because it'll flip with you if your screen is not locked. Also, I believe, if I remember right from last year, that the iPad calculators, the way the numbers are displayed does not show the word. So if you have a regular calculator in your house, you can use it. Or if you do this assignment at school, I have calculators that you can borrow. But this part is just for fun. Remember to submit this to me through Canvas when you are done.